3 years ago, the World Health Organization made this announcement.
That COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
That evening, then U.S. President Donald Trump, who often downplayed the growing crisis, addressed the nation.
The virus will not have a chance against us. No nation is more prepared or more resilient than the United States.
But that was not the case. COVID-19 tore through the United States and many other countries with devastating results. Much of the world would soon go into an unprecedented series of lockdowns. Some countries like China, Australia, and New Zealand escaped the worst of the outbreak by relying on quarantines, masking, vaccines, contact tracing, and testing. Even as vaccines became widely available in the US, UK, and Europe, there was reluctance amongst some to take the jab, and protest movements emerged. Summer of 2021 saw the Delta variant spark another deadly wave of infections, and as 2021 wound down, the Omicron variant emerged, and cases hit record highs in the U.S. and many other parts of the world. Throughout 2022, vaccines helped cases level off in many countries, and some COVID restrictions were lifted, even as COVID deaths in the U.S. remained high.
We still have 300 to 400 Americans dying every day, tens of thousands of people getting infected every day. There is a lot of work to do.
Entering 2023, much of the world had shifted out of crisis mode and towards effectively managing the risks of COVID-19. The U.S. will end its COVID-19 emergency declarations on May 11th.
While the virus is not gone, thanks to the resilience of the American people and the ingenuity of medicine, we've broken the COVID grip on us.
China has moved into a new phase of COVID-19 management with relative ease, a move that is expected to help boost the global economy.
Putting the people and their lives above everything else, China has refined its COVID policies in light of the evolving situation, effectively coordinated COVID response with economic and social development, and effectively protected people's lives and health.
Though the world is learning to live with COVID-19, dangers remain, including the possibility of new variants emerging.
We've been lucky that we haven't had one with very severe disease or one that can escape existing immunity, but there's no reason to think that that may not happen.
The world has paid a heavy toll since COVID-19 emerged. More than 750 million confirmed cases have been recorded, and nearly 7 million people have died. Jim Spellman, CGTN, Washington.